9 ways to attract good energy today and every day. As we move through our day, we send energy into the world and we receive energy back. Our minds, bodies and spirits are composed of energy, which vibrates out and is felt by others. This is why we may feel warm, calm and cheerful in the presence of some people, but cold, anxious and blue around others. We carry that energy with us, and it impacts not only us but all the other people we come in contact with. Good energy can boost our feelings of well-being, dissolve feelings of anxiety and improve communication. Bad energy results in feelings of discord, conflict and resentment. So, how do we attract good energy and get rid of the bad? You can do this by raising your energy level and aligning yourself with positive vibrations. 1. Pay attention to the energy you're emitting. Like attracts like. Are you more hopeful, positive and upbeat, or are you more depressed, doom and gloom? Negative energy may be subtle, but the attitude you approach others with will generally be reflected back at you. For example, if people avoid you and sidestep your assistance, you're stuck at a lower, negative, vibration. 2. Change the way you think. If you want to attract good things, start thinking positive thoughts. As the Dalai Lama says, see the positive side, the potential, and make an effort. For example, I am having a hard time adjusting to this new scenario, can be changed to I know I will have challenges with this new situation, but I overcome them and adjust to these changes. Stop looking for bad news or exaggerating the negative. I know it's hard, but you can do it. 3. Cut off negative influences. Negative vibes can impact your health and well-being. These influences can be people, situations or things. Perhaps their constant criticisms bring you down, or you find yourself picking up their bad habits. Get rid of these negative influences and start living the life you want to live. 4. Expand your circle. Surround yourself with positive, successful go-getters who are supportive and caring. Spend time with people that radiate good energy and cultivate those relationships. 5. Exhibit compassion and be kind to others. These people, according to research, have stronger relationships, greater physical and mental health, and a higher level of life satisfaction. You can do this in so many ways, from smiling at strangers to buying a simple cup of coffee. All of this fuels happiness and sends heaps of positive energy your way. 6. Be grateful. Being grateful for what you have allows you to release negative energy. Every morning think of 5 things you are grateful for and 1 person in your life. 7. Fix your inner emotions. Fear, doubt and insecurity are positive energy killers. Stop listening to the negative voices in your head. These undermine your sense of value and limit your possibilities. 8. Connect the here and now with who you want to become. You need to start making choices that will lead you to become the kind of person you want to be, with the work and relationships you want to have, if you want positive energy to flow through you. What goals and dreams are you working toward? Now imagine living that life. This will make you more empowered, enthusiastic and motivated. 9. Have integrity. We all know we should be fair to others, but when we connect with each other on a personal or even professional level, we don't. Be kind to people, and they will be kind to you, though I know it's easier said than done. But more importantly, when someone offends you, don't respond angrily. Reinforcing the negative isn't going to help. And finally, remember, everything is about energy. What we put out will return to us, so try and practice positive vibes and energy.